Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Bluetooth ready and granting permissions so calls can route to the watch. Enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, then allow the watch access to contacts and phone features. Put the watch into pairing mode and tap its name in your phone's Bluetooth list. Once paired, confirm call permissions and microphone access when prompted. This ensures the watch can act as an audio device for outgoing and incoming calls immediately. Next, make the watch the active audio device so calls route correctly. Open Bluetooth device settings on your phone and select the watch for phone audio. This lets the watch handle call audio. Sync contacts and permit call log access so numbers display on screen. If available, pick the default dialing app or enable the watch's voice dial feature. This makes placing calls from the watch seamless. Also check volume and microphone. Now place a test call from the watch using the dialer or a voice command to confirm everything works. You'll hear the other party through the watch speaker and can answer or end calls on screen. If audio is weak, adjust volume on both devices and switch audio to the phone temporarily. If calls fail, unpair and repair the devices or restart both the watch and phone. These steps fix most Bluetooth handoff or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.